Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rhino 3D Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to create easy cage earrings using Polyhedron and Multipipe tools. Polyhedron is a free plugin for Rhino 3D. You can download it from Food for Rhino. Link in description. You can see a lot of shapes. Select one of the shapes you like to see in your design. I like this shape for my cage set earrings, so I selected this shape. There are many options. One of the options is output as mesh, surface, or curves. I selected output in curves, so it is easy to create cage using Multipipe tool. This is just a set of curves grouped together in this shape. If you see in the properties, it shows 120 curves grouped. As you can see, they are just a set of grouped curves. Now I am going to show you how to turn this into cage setting using Multipipe tool. Now I show you how to do cage set earrings. This is the cage for the earrings. Now it's time for ear wire. Voila! I have shown you how to create cage set earrings in Rhino 3D with Multipipe tool. I will render this in Rhino 3D. If you want a clear video on rendering, you can watch my previous videos. Voila! Perfect cage set earrings.